Hello and welcome all students. I, your teacher, Mrs. Patul Sapuvala, will be starting with a new chapter of maths. That is chapter number 17, circle, chord and arc. So student, as the chapter suggests, it's about circle. So in this circle, we are going to study two things, that is chord and that is arc. So let's brush up that what have we studied. What is a circle? A circle is a set of points equidistant from the fixed point in a plane. The fixed point is called the center of the circle and the fixed distance is called as the radius. So in this above figure, student, you can see that O is the center. We have OC, OA, OB as to be the radius of the circle. The radius is also the segment joining the center and any point on the circle. A chord is a segment which joins any two points on the circle. A diameter is the chord which passes through the center. So chord is what? A chord is a segment that joins any two points on the circle. So in the figure given, we can say that x and y, xy is a chord because it is joining the two sides of the circle. Now over here, it is AB is also the called as a chord, and the largest chord in a circle is a diameter because it is also touching the two sides of the circle. And the only difference between the other chord and the diameter is that a diameter passes through the center of the chord, whereas the other chords do not passes through the center of the circle. So we have seen what is chord. Now we will see what is an arc. An arc is a part of the circle. This measure of an arc is equivalent to the measure of its corresponding centered angle, means the angle which is formed through the center. So let's see the different three types of arcs. There are three types of arcs. That is a minor arc. Minor means a smaller arc. Major, that is known as the bigger arc, and semicircular arc or semicircle. Here a semicircle is also an arc, and as the name is suggested, semi means half the circle. So let's see the measures. The measurement of a circle, as we know student, that is 360 degree. Measurement of a semicircle is half of the circle, so that is 180 degree. Measure of a minor arc is less than 180 degree. Any arc which is less than 180 degree is known as the minor arc. And measure of major arc is more than 180 degree. Any arc whose measurement is more than 180 degree, that arc is said to be the major arc. So students, very fast, remove your notebooks and pen. Remove your textbook. Let's come to page number 114 and let's recall. So students, you can see that there is a circle. So in the given figure, O is the center of the circle. With reference to the figure, fill in the blanks. So here student, let us see what are the different measures. Okay. So first, let's begin student. We know that O is the center. So OD, OB, OA are what? They are the radius. Now AB, which is passing through the center, so that is known as what student? Yes, that is known as the diameter. Yes. and PQ. PQ is a line segment that is touching the two sides of the circle. So that is what? That is PQ is a chord. So let's first answer to the fill-ups that is being given. Segment OD is the radius of the circle. Here we can see OD to be the radius. Then the next question is, what is AD? As we see AB, not AD students, it is AB. So what is AB? AB is the chord that is passing through the center of the circle. So that is known as the diameter. So AB, segment AB is the diameter. What is segment PQ? PQ is touching the two sides of the circle. So that is the chord. So we'll write it down. Segment PQ is chord of the circle. Dash is the central angle. So which is a central angle? Here angle is being formed. You can see angle DOB. It is an angle that is passing through the center of the circle. So that is known as a central angle. Now we have to mention that which are the minor arcs. So minor arcs are AXD. Let's see students, AXD, because that is less than 180 degree. Then we have arc BD, that is also a smaller minor arc. Then we have arc AP, arc PQ and arc BQ. AP, that is a smaller one. B and Q, BQ and DQ, because that is also not exceeding 180 degree. Which are the major arcs? So the major arcs which are already been mentioned is PAD. Okay, PAB it is. So it is forming such a bigger arc. Then arc PDQ. So PD and then coming to the Q. So here you can see it is such a big one. We have PAB more than 180 degree. Then we have the another one, that is angle PD and coming till Q. Okay. Then the next arcs are, and one more arc, that is PDA. So this is forming, these are the three arcs that are being forming out the major arcs. Now let us see which are the semicircular arcs. Over here the semicircular arcs which are given is, it is given as ADB, because here AB is actually the diameter that is dividing the circle into two halves, and the another semicircular arc is APB, or you can also name it as AQB. Whether you say APB or you say AQB, the arc is remaining the same, that is APB or AQB. Both are equal because it is carrying this both the equal distance. So naming, you can give any, you can either write APB or AQB, it's one and the same. Now we'll see what is the measure of arc DB. Okay, so arc DB means we are talking about this particular arc. So here over here the angle is this being formed. So what is the angle? The angle is angle DOB. Now another one that is given, what is the measurement of angle DAB? That means DA and B. I'll just show you much better, students. So we have seen that arc DB is what? It is actually the angle DOB. Here this angle which is being formed, it is that arc. So wherever the angle is being formed, okay, here you can find it out and you can name the arc. Okay, similarly, now the next question is that measure of arc DAB. So here when we are talking about this particular arc. Students, we are talking about DAB. So actually what it is, only this much part is been there. Now you can see that actually this is a whole circle. So the measurement of the circle is what, student? It is 360 degree. Yes. So measure of arc DAB, how can we remove it? We will remove this much part and we can measure the whole DAB arc. Okay, so the whole circle, that is 360 degree, minus measure angle DOB. We can show in with the other color. DOB, if this much part we remove it, then actually we will get the rest remaining part. So measure of angle DOB. Now student, if this much part we are removing, we can either write it down in the form of arc DB. We can write 360 minus arc DB is equal to arc DAB, or we can write it down that the measure of the circle is 360 degree minus the measure of angle DOB is equal to the arc DAB. Okay, students. So with this, we have completed the introduction of the part, and here now we have learnt about the circle, about the chord, arc. Then we will start, next time we will start with the practice set. So the basic, what is arc, what is chord, how to find the measurement, that we have learned. The next exercise we will do it in the next video. So with this student, thank you very much. Students, these are the answers which you need to write. The one which are bold letters, that you have to copy it down the same way as it has been given out into your book. So just underline the main answers which are written down with bold letters and see that you complete your book on time. So the part, that is the let's recall, that we have completed. In the next part we are going to see some properties of chord, and related to that we are going to solve the question, the exercises. So with that, thank you students.